When you select a pattern from 2D, we have an important setting called particle distance in a millimeter. It defines the density of your mesh, your polygon mesh, that it is very important for simulating, better simulating. When you go in here, we explain all of them. When you go in here, a menu will be open that is this menu that looks like a mesh. If you click on that, all of your pattern display as a mesh. As you can see, they are all mesh. When you click pattern in its properties, in the simulation properties, we have particle distance in centimeter. A higher number, for example 50, the higher number means the lower, just the part you can change the particle distance all pattern individually, okay, not all of the individuals. Nice. As you can see, the density of the mesh is reduced, and it causes your simulation is faster, but the quality get reduced as well. So the higher number, it means we have the less mesh, bad quality, but faster simulation. This is the particle distance means, I don't know why they're naming like this, but the particle distance is the vertex distance between, for example, this line. If you increase, if you reduce the number 10, as you can see, we have a lots of mesh because the particle distance is changing to the lower number. In this case, we have a better quality of your pattern and better simulation, but it's very heavy to simulate. Be careful about that. I like 15. Nice for this situation. Another important thing, for example, if you draw something here, it's not important. If you when you draw a pattern in the particle distance, its default is 20. For example, going to the smooth curve, going to this shape. As you can see, we have not a problem in a direct this brick edge. When we smooth it, the problem will be occur here because we have a little mesh in this position. If you turn on the mesh, as you can see, we have a smaller number of the mesh. For this situation, you have to increase your particle distance. Select your pattern, its properties in a simulation. I will be explaining all of these settings. But in this situation, you can reduce the number of the particle distance. As you can see, we have more particle here, or 5. As you can see, in this particle, because it's very small and we have a curvy pattern, we need more mesh, and our curve create very good. If you go into the texture, as you can see, it's nice. Okay, so when you curve something and see that issues, it's because of the particle distance. You can increase or decrease your number. So remember, if you increase that number, we have less mesh, bad quality but light simulation. If you reduce the number, we have better quality and lots of mesh. As you can see, we have a lots of mesh than this pattern, but it's very heavy. Remember that number. Change the number according to your position, your situation of your pattern. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.